Students, so there is another question, and the question says that wire xy moves perpendicular to the magnetic field in the direction shown. So this is the wire xy and is moving like this is the velocity, and magnetic field into the plane of paper. So magnetic field is into the paper. The graph shows the variation with time of the displacement of xy. So this graph ST has been given to us. What is the graph of electromagnetic force E induced across xy? So first understand that this question is from the motional EMF. It means, like, suppose there is electrons here, free electrons. When it start moving like this and the magnetic field is inside, so we will use right palm rule. So like it is inside of the paper and velocity is on the this side, so this palm will give you the current. So direction of current is this. It is not required in this typical question, but yes, you should know that current will be going like this. So now we have to calculate E. So basically induced EMF is negative of d phi by dt, and we also know that formula is BVL in this case. So where L is the length of xy, V is the velocity, and B is the magnetic field. So everything depends upon the velocity now. So from this graph, we have to make a VD. So now we are going back to the kinematics. So now you see up to this and up to this. We have three zones. Like this, there is a little bit quadratic, and it means the velocity is increasing. So we can say that like velocity is going to increase up to this, and this is a straight line, so it means that velocity will remain same, and this is like decreasing. Like if you will have the tangent to it, tangent, the slope will be decreasing, so it means the velocity is decreasing. So if the VT graph is like this, it will be similar in case of the induced EMF. So now we will see that which option suits us. So you can see A is not the right, B is not the right, and you can see here that C is the same, and our mark scheme also says C is the right answer. Just look into it, the same diagram C. So this is how we have to solve the question. First understand what's happening in the question, and then you can solve it properly. So thank you for watching. Hope this video has cleared your doubt.